September, week 1, math, first grade, lesson 2. It's a review lesson on adding on the banking. Good. We're going to write down this problem. 591 plus 240. And units first. 591 has 1 unit. Put it up here. And it has 9 tens. Damien, you'll need your pencil to write with. Good job, buddy. And 500s. And then the next number has 0 units. And 4 tens. And 200s. And what are we doing with these numbers? Plus. Good. And Damien, do you need help or are you going to get caught up, buddy?
I need help.
Okay. Your next one is a 4. And then a 2. And it's a plus, so you need a plus sign. Do you guys remember what numbers are called when we add them? They're called addends. This is called the top addend, and this one's called the bottom addend. And when you put them together, it makes the sum. Good. What's my finger on?
Top
Bottom addend. Good. What's my finger on?
Top addend.
Top addend. What's my finger on?
Sum.
Okay. Put your finger on the sum. Good. We don't know it yet, do we? Put your finger on the top addend. Good. Put your finger on the bottom addend. Okay. We're ready to start. We're going to make the hundreds first in the top addend. Am I allowed to do that? No. We're going to make the tens first. No. Units first. Okay. And how many units in the top addend? 1. So get your units and put 1 on the right, like that. 1. And how many tens in the top addend? 9. And Grayson, could you bring me 4 rulers? And how many hundreds?
5.
5.
That's a challenge. That's a real challenge.
Gentle voice, Damien. Okay, good. So your units are on the right, tens, and then hundreds have to be on the left. So Damien's hundreds need to move over to the left. Good job, Damien. Thank you.
5. That's before got 5.
Okay, now we're going to make the bottom addend. How many units? None. Grab some air and chuck it under that 1 unit. How many tens?
4.
And they're going to go right underneath your other tens.
I got 4. Plus 2 plus 2 is 4. I got 2 and 2.
How many hundreds in the bottom addend? 2. time to put we did what it said, but can we write that down?
No.
It's kind of a mess. It's time to put it all together.
Can I have a full metal? Can I have a metal?
They're all metal.
Everyone has carbon.
Put it down here. And we're gonna add hundreds first.
Wait, tens?
No, can't do that. Gonna add tens first.
Units.
Units first, always, right? So grab your little unit guide plus a bunch of nothing and move it down below the ruler. Like that.
Now what?
Now what?
Tens.
Tens. Don't touch the hundreds yet, okay? Tens. Put them all down below the ruler. And I think you should count them. It looks like there might be a lot. So count those and see what you've got.
13. 13. Me too. Oh yeah, a lot of 9.
Let's wait for Damien. Nope, it's just 13. Okay. Can we have 13?
No, only 9.
We can only have 9.
So
So
2 and 8.
we're going to take 10 of
4.
them. And we can exchange 10 of them for a 100. So by 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, Damien. Good, JD. Take them to the bank. And the bank has to give you 100. Don't put it with these hundreds because those are addeds. It goes down here in the sum.
Get me one. Get me one.
Now,
Looks like a staircase.
now add the rest of your hundreds.
Oh.
Now we can count what we have. We have 1 unit. So we're going to write 1 right there.
Where? In the sun?
Right there in the sum.
Got it. Okay, do it. 30.
3 tens. Good. And then you guys should count those hundreds. No, you need to move your other hundreds down. That's what I have.
Wait, what is he doing?
Yeah, you forgot to add your hundreds, so move all your hundreds down. And then count them.
Are
And
we allowed to have 8?
8. Are you allowed to have 8?
Yeah.
Yes.
And 8. We had to take. I had to take one back away. 8. Cause
Okay. So let's read this problem together now that you put 8. Did you all write 8? The hundreds?
I didn't write 3 or 8.
Okay, go ahead and write it.
Now can we put it all in the bank?
First, let's read the problem together. Ready? Go. 500 plus 240 makes 831. Good job. Good job. Now, put all your stuff back in the bank.
Okay.
And I'm going to give you a problem to try by yourselves to see if you guys can do it by yourselves. So you're ready.
I have to try it out. Yeah. Can we be partners like me, Kay, you, and Damien?
No, I'm going to see if you guys can do it.
How are we gonna do it? Because are we gonna each hand us our own one?
Yes, you each have your own bank.
Because
Let's stop talking in the lesson now, sweet
he
angel.
doesn't really help me like work and do work and clean up
So,
and
Damien, put those away and we'll start writing this. Just put them in there.
Okay, can six plus.
Good. And then put your tens away. Well, I'm about to show it. I wanted to wait for Damien. Okay. You're going to write down a new problem, but this time Miss Cammie's not going to do it for you. You're just going to try it, okay? Ready?
I'll forget it wrong.
140 plus 71. So 140 has how many units?
0.
0. And then
4 tens.
4 tens. And then 100. 140. 71 has how many units?
1.
1. And how many tens?
7.
And we're going to put a plus sign because that's what we're doing. And I'd like you guys to start by making your top add-in. And you're going to do units first. Good, I noticed everybody grabbed some air for the units. Okay, now do the tens. Well, here's the units, and then there's the tens. How many?
We can have 4.
Now, how many hundreds?
1. Perfect score already.
Now, Damien, you're going to make your bottom end. How many units?
1.
And how many tens?
7. I already got it all. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5.
Good. Keep going. And put those right below the other ones, okay? Okay, did you get your 7 tens for the bottom add-in? Okay, they don't go below the ruler though. Can you put the ruler under them? Move the ruler. There you go. Damien, good job. JD, can you put your ruler like Damien's doing? Good. Okay, can you put your ruler like JD and Damien? Good. Time to add. Hundreds first. Never. Miss Cammie, stop trying to confuse us. What do you add first?
Units.
Units. Okay, go ahead. Let's wait for Damien and Kay. JD did it.
What?
You need to add your units
I added my 1. Gosh,
below the ruler.
gosh.
Is it okay? Okay, leave your tens alone. No touching your tens yet. Units first, and I don't see that you're adding the units and putting them below the ruler.
Some people.
There. Is it okay? Don't touch your tens yet. Is it okay to have 1 unit?
Yes.
Heck yeah, right? 1 is fine. Go ahead and add your tens. All of them.
11.
Ah. And they should be below the ruler, right? Okay, put them all below the ruler. So do you have 11 tens? Yeah. Damien, do you have 11?
We can't have 11, so we have to take them out.
7, 8, 10, 11. Are we allowed to have 11? Take 10 of them, leave 1, and exchange for what? 100. No, it can't go up there. It's not in the add-ins. Take them to the bank, and the bank has to give you 100. Oh, you can't rob the bank, Kay. You have to give the bank 10 with 11 like you had. Put 3 tens back. I'll do it. You had 11, right? Okay, now take 10 of them to the bank. Give them to the bank, and the bank has to give you 100. And where does it go? Does it go? Yes, good. Now you can add your hundreds. Okay, now write down the sum, starting with your units. Somebody tell me how many. Damien, how many units in that sum? 1. JD, how many tens in the sum? 1 again. K, how many hundreds in the sum? 2. So our sum is 211. And I can sign your planners.